Hello guys, today we're going to talk about the most important macronutrient, which is your protein. There's 9 amino acids or proteins that our bodies cannot produce, so we need to consume them. There's 11 of them that are the non-essential amino acids, which are the ones that we don't have to consume because our body will produce it by itself. What is the importance of proteins? Proteins are the ones that will provide a structure and growth to your bodies, growth to your kids, growth to your muscles. They help you maintain your muscles. They help you repair those cells or muscle cells. And they are the main foundation for your skin, your nails, your hair, your bones, your immune system. They help you to sleep. They help you with your hormones, your mood regulation. They help you with your brain function. They're so important that they even help you to reduce soreness. Workout and you're really sore, protein will help you to repair those muscles. Proteins are not the primary source of energy, but they can act as a primary source of energy. When we don't have the 3 macronutrients in our diets, we can use proteins as a main source of energy, but this is not one of the main functions of the proteins. So proteins also help you with memory, help you learning a new thing, help you with sex drive, help you with tissue growth repair, immune system functioning, as I already mentioned. And the main thing for weight loss is that proteins help you to reduce or control your appetite. We can get full and satisfied after we eat that meal, most likely when we're eating a protein-based meal. There are so many critical functions of the protein that we need for everyday life. We have 2 types of proteins. One of them is the complete protein and the incomplete protein, which is the second one. Now, the complete proteins, they are completed and have all the 9 non-essential amino acids that we need to a regular growth. And the incomplete ones are the ones that we need to combine them, or 2 of them, to make a complete one. So therefore, complete proteins, they all come from animal products. Incomplete proteins are all your plant-based proteins, like beans, like lentils, like brown rice, things like that. Those are your incomplete that need to be combined with another incomplete to make a complete protein. Does that make sense? So complete proteins, they're all enough for us. So we have chicken breast. It has all the essential amino acids that we need that our body cannot produce. We eat chicken breast and we're set. Now, if you're a vegetarian or you're a vegan and you're trying to grow muscle or simply just have the required amount of protein in your body, you're gonna need to combine 2 of those plant-based proteins. That way you can have a complete protein one. Food sources of protein are going to be the animal products and the plant-based products. So the animal will be your eggs, your meat, your poultry, your seafood, and the plants will be your beans, your grains, nuts, seeds, and vegetables are source of protein. We need to combine them to create a complete one, as we mentioned. For example, we can do brown rice with lentils, brown rice with black beans, and that will give you a complete protein. If you're not vegetarian or vegan, then you can always just have chicken breast, seafood, meat, your eggs. Those are complete proteins, and they're always great to have them available. Within our proteins, we have 3 types of proteins. One of them is going to be the very lean protein. Second is going to be your medium protein. And your third one is going to be your high and fat protein. So very lean proteins are the ones that we're going to be focusing on this program, because the very lean proteins will help us to lose weight and will help us also to gain muscles. Now, some examples of very lean proteins will be your chicken breast, turkey breast, fish, the white fish, tuna. We have all seafood. We have egg whites. And as a plant-based, we have beans, we have chickpeas, lentils, and kidney beans. All types of beans are really high in protein. Your medium and high fat proteins, this will be your chicken, the dark meat of the chicken, the dark meat of the turkey. This will be your fish like salmon, it's like a medium. We'll have sardines, also a medium. Here's where we have pork, we have the beef, and we have the lamb in the medium category. We also have our high fat proteins, which are the ones that we're gonna stay away mostly or consume them once a week. And this is going to be your red meat, the high cut, any prime cut or prime meat will be your high fat, and also ground beef. Now, proteins can be broken down and stored as fat when we consume too much of a protein in one meal. Therefore, to prevent this storage of fat, distribute proteins throughout the day rather than having large amounts. This will also help you to consume the right amount of amino acids that your body needs, to use it for maintenance, to use it for growth, to use it for recovery, instead of putting in your body and store it as fat.